Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got an unboxing of my Kerikit stuff that came. I'm doing this outside because it's quite late and it's going to be too dark in my house. So we'll start off here, and this is the new little and I've forgotten what it's called. Rosie, that's what it's called. Yeah, Rosie, that I got, and this is in the olive, I believe. I really wanted the MIDI Lennox in this, but it didn't come in it, so I was kind of disappointed about that because I really like this green. But that's it in, well, kind of natural light. It is getting a bit dusk, but let's see if I can open this with one hand. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. It can be used, I don't think I can open it with one hand, but just to give you an idea, I will do a packing video. Well, maybe I can. So it's kind of like a hard little case that you can put stuff in, you can see through it, so you could, I don't know, use it for snacks, a little medical kit, sunglasses even, just anything really. And apparently it fits in all the pockets of the bags, so I just thought I'd give it a try. And then I also did get, so I can get this out, I did get another poppy wallet. Again, it's in the green because I really love the green. Now I'm looking at the green now in this video and it looks darker. It's a tiny bit lighter, it's more of a khaki colour. Maybe when I do a packing video my lighting will be better, so you'll have a better idea. And this is different to the other poppies I have because I didn't have this little snap closure there. And did I have a pocket? I can't, yeah, maybe it was there, I don't know. But anyway, so that's that. And then I did get a MIDI Lennox. If I get this out. And, oh, okay. I wasn't sure what colour to get because, like I said, I really wanted an olive. So this is in the, let me just get it in, it's stuck. This is in the taupe. The new taupe. Let me have a look because I forget all the warm taupe. It's in warm taupe. So this is a really pretty colour. It's different from the mink for sure. It's a different, I don't know if it's light. It's lighter than the mink, I guess. I don't know if you can see that. But it comes with the crossbody strap, and then you've got the shorter strap. I didn't get a tassel for it because I could only see the tassels that I think they're like the smaller ones or something. They're different from the tassels that I've got from my other MIDI Lennoxes, and I don't like them as much. I don't like that really long tassel, so I don't know if I was maybe looking in the wrong spot, but anyway, it's no big deal, I guess. So you've got that usual lining in there. Yeah, and this one actually feels stiffer. This is the pebbled, and I have oxblood and the, is it the antique? The blue one I've got, I forget the name of it. This one feels a bit stiffer, I don't know. Maybe just because it's new, but yeah, it's a really nice colour. And again, it's showing up darker on the video than it is in real life. But there's the green next to it. Yeah, they definitely look darker from what I can see through this video. But I will do a packing video on them so you guys can see. But I love this green. This is so nice. It's definitely like almost just a bit darker than khaki. Oh my gosh, I would have loved a mini Lennox in this. It did come in the big Lennox, but the regular size Lennox is just way too big of a bag for me these days. But yeah, I really hope they end up doing MIDI Lennox, and it is so pretty, such a nice colour. Anyway, so that is what I got, and stay tuned and I will do a packing video at some point. Thanks for watching.